Hi Dolly friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do five dolls to unbox. And then after this we have about 3 more videos and then we will be done. And then I do have a special surprise on Christmas, so I want to share that with you too. So stay tuned for more fun, but let's get on to doll number 1. This is from, all these are from Amazon. I will put their links in the video description. And this one is a little boy. He is going to be cute, I have a feeling, just by looking in the box. Comes with a bottle. And he comes with a birth certificate that you can fill out. And here is our little guy. Oh my god, he's heavy. He actually has a good weight to him. Oh my goodness, look at him. He's really cute. And I think his price was like really low. I think he was only like about $35 to $40. So I mean, for that price, look at that face. I would say he's definitely worth it. Let me get his binky out of the thing and then we'll put it on him. He is absolutely adorable. He's got nice blushing on his face and he's wearing this adorable little happy alligator. It says happy little guy outfit with a little alligator on it. And he's big. He's actually a good sized baby. I would say he's between 22 and 24 inches. I don't know what the description says, but he is a bigger sized baby. And his hair is like almost like a dirty blonde. It's really, really pretty. And it's actually a wig, but it's very, very soft. He is really, really adorable. I do like him. I'll let you get a close-up of his face. You can see he has nice blushing on him. And his vinyl is pretty soft. His body is very soft and huggable. It's cloth. And like I said, he does have weight in him, which is a good thing. And his limbs, if you twist them, you can pose them. You just got to work with them a lot. But overall, I would say he is really, really cute. His head doesn't turn though. But super adorable. I do love him, and we will check his weight towards the end of the video, so stay tuned, and we will get on to doll number 2. Alright, so doll number 2 comes in this box right here. Doesn't have the brand on the box, but like I said again, I will put all the links down below in the video description if you want to get one. Oh, so this one's really cute. This is another little boy. And he comes with a birth certificate. I think it's a boy. And a pink bottle, a pink magnetic pacifier. So I don't know. Maybe it's a girl. But to me, honestly, this doll looks like a boy. And I will show you in a sec. So you can see. He is a total boy. And I mean, the outfit, it's totally a boy's outfit. Let's get a closer look at him. We'll take this off. Yeah. 100% boy. I'm not sure whether they sent the pink bottle and the pink pacifier, but I do not see a girl at all in this baby. Total 100% boy. He's really tiny. He doesn't really have much weight to him at all. So, I mean, you could modify him to add weight. I mean, he has just like a tiny, tiny little bit, but his limbs do pose. His body's cloth, his limbs are vinyl, the very soft vinyl, and he has blushing. I don't see any veins, but he does have nice realistic details. I see some glossing, but overall, he is really, really cute. Alright, so we'll get on to doll number 3, since we have 5 to do today, so we gotta go kind of fast. Oh, so this one is a twin to the other ones that we just did. She looks exactly almost the same, but her body is cloth. It's not a full vinyl. So she comes with this birth certificate. She comes with just a regular plain bottle. And she has a magnetic pacifier as well. Alright. So here is our little girl. Oh, she's really cute. Yeah, so she looks almost identical to the 2 other ones I did. So actually I have triplets now. And they're all pretty much dressed exactly the same. But she has nice painted on hair. And she has realistic details. I see some glossing and blush on her face. And her hands. She has a lot of realistic details right there. I do see veining on her, so she has that realistic quality to her. And her limbs, yeah, she is posable, so you can pose her, but not her head. But she is really, really cute. Alright, so we will get on to our next baby. And it comes in this box. Well, I almost bashed myself in the head with the box. I'm getting too excited with these boxes. I'm hurting myself. Alright. So this baby, we'll get a sneak peek. So she's a painted hair baby. And she comes with a bottle. And here is our baby. Sorry about grabbing her by her head. Oh, she's a twin to the one that we just did. Look. They look exactly the same, almost. Oh, really cute. But super adorable. She's got nice painted on hair. She comes with that little headband. The painting job is actually really, really nice on the hair. Like, sometimes it's not the world's best, but this one's actually really, really good. Her body's cloth as well, just like all the other dolls today. Her limbs are vinyl. And her limbs, you know, she's really hard to pose. Her ties might just be too tight. You probably really have to work with her to get her into a sitting position. But she has a little bit of weight in her body. And I do see veining on her face. So she's got veining, she's got gloss, and she's got blushing. And I see it on her legs too. She's got a lot of realistic details. So really, really cute. Nice doll. And then we will get on to our last baby. Oh, and I think I left her a pacifier in the box, so she also comes with a pacifier. But our last baby comes in this box. She's actually a bigger one. So we will take a look at, this is the biggest box of all. Oh wow, she's pretty. I will show her to you. Oh, isn't she pretty? I like her outfit. She's adorable. So she actually comes with an extra outfit. And we will take a look at this to see exactly what's in here. Usually for a second outfit, they don't send like the nicest clothes. But this is actually really cute. And it says, I got it from my mama on it. It's like a little like onesie dress thing. Really super cute, and it has a matching headband. So how adorable is that? And here is our doll. Aw, look at her. She's really, really big. I would say she's probably about 24 inches. She's a really nice sized doll. She's very long. But her body is full vinyl. And I don't think she has the concave back because I would feel it. Yeah, her back is actually normal. And she does have a belly, so her body is not like all squished in or dented in or anything. But her limbs, you could pose her easily because she is a full vinyl doll from head to toe. She is anatomically correct. And she has this cute little bonnet that comes with her dress. I love her outfit. This is very, very beautiful. And she has these cute little shoes. Really super adorable. So let's get on to check their weights. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and check their weights. So first up we have this cute little alligator guy. He's really adorable. Let's see how much he weighs. He is 1 pound 15 ounces. And then next we have our second little boy doll. He's very, very light. He's only 1 pound 4 ounces. And then we have our little bunny girl with a cloth body. She is 1 pound 3 ounces. And then we have this little cutie pie. She is 1 pound 7 ounces. And then finally we have our big girl of the day. She's very, very long, and I changed her into her other outfit just so you could get a look at it. I think it's really cute. I can't decide which outfit I like more, but both the outfits are really, really nice. And she weighs 1 pound 14 ounces. Alright, so we have all 5 of our babies that we saw today You tell me which one is your favorite. I'm leaning towards the first little guy with the blonde hair with the little crocodile outfit. I just think he's so sweet. But I think all of them are cute. But let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And stay tuned for more fun videos coming your way. Bye!